Hi, I'm Peggy Van Witt, Van Witt Fine Art Conservation, and I'm going to show you my favorite tools of the trade. So if I were on an island, these are the supplies that I would need and the equipment that I would need in order to do just even a tiny job. So first thing here, this is an expensive tool. It's a Leister lever, and it's a heat tool with heat settings and with an airflow. So I can heat up something and release adhesives with it and other things like that. So that's number one. Then what I always take onto a site is a couple of jars of solvent and clean solvent or dark solvent, solvent for dark colors and solvent for light colors. So I can clean my little brush. Always want a tiny little brush that you can make little corrections even if you're delivering a painting. You get it hung into the light and oh, there's like a little dot on it, so I can take care of that. Because we can't always carry a whole paint set, I advise you, this is not expensive and it's a great paint set. The Kramer Viva Polaroid B7 retouching, the Kramer Polaroid B7 retouching kit. And mine has been used. I had a mural, so I have to clean that. This is my favorite visor, and it just, I can't tell you how many times it's protected my head from, something falling on me or, so this is great. The better you see, the better you work. And of course, some cotton, and long strand, 100% cotton that I then roll around a little Q-tip like this. And I can clean a little area like that, roll it between my thumb and forefinger. Another thing I can't live without is a tacking iron with heat settings. And it comes with a little stand, and this has always been really annoying. I always have to tell everybody, this tool, great, for flattening, for releasing adhesives, for modifying the paint surface. So many uses. Then I have little palettes. You always want like a light palette and a dark palette. So I always take two because you don't want to mix those colors. If it's too light, the white makes everything muddy. And of course, my little skewers that I wrap the cotton around. Take 2 or 3 of them onto every job site. You never know, they're very useful. So this was my essential favorite toolkit, things I use every day as a conservator. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, just like, comment, subscribe, and we'll get you more videos or email us. Thank you.